Hi guys, today we will talk about how to control high quality image uploads on your Twitter app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that. All you have to do is to just go up, you will click here on this picture here on up, then it's going to show for you a window like this. Then you just go down here, you click here on settings and support, then you click here on settings and privacy, then it's going to take you here to next window and you just go down here, then you come here to accessibility display and languages and you come to next window here, so just click here on data usage and you come to this window here, so just come here to high quality image uploads. You will click here and here you can so choose here or control if you want to play it on Wi-Fi only, on never, or on mobile data. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.